To register for Zelle, start by checking if your bank or credit union is a participating member of the Zelle network, as this service is only available through participating financial institutions. You can do this by visiting the Zelle website and using their lookup tool to search for your bank or credit union. Once you have confirmed that your financial institution is a participating member, you can enroll in Zelle through your bank or credit union's mobile banking app or website. You will typically need to provide some basic information such as your name and email address or mobile phone number. Next, you will need to verify your identity by receiving a one-time verification code sent to your email or mobile phone. Enter this code into the registration page to complete the verification process. After verification, you can link your bank account to Zelle by selecting the account you want to use. For sending and receiving money, you may need to provide your account and routing numbers to complete this step. Once your account is linked, you can start using Zelle to send and receive money with friends, family, and others who are also enrolled in the service. You can do this by selecting the Send or Request Money option and entering the recipient's email, address, or mobile phone number. It is essential to note that you should only use Zelle to send money to people you know and trust, as this service does not offer the same level of buyer protection as credit or debit cards. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with using Zelle, as these can vary depending on your financial institution. By following these steps, you can easily register for Zelle and start taking advantage of the convenience and speed of this person-to-person payment service. Remember to always use Zelle responsibly and follow best practices for secure transactions.